So if you're in the market for a new home but have experienced a bankruptcy in the past, you might be wondering if it's still possible to buy a home. So the good news is it is possible to buy a home after a bankruptcy, but there's a few things to keep in mind. By the way, stick around to the end of this video where you can unlock our house hacks and insider tips that we have learned over the last 17 years. So first, it's important to know that there are different loan types and each one of those have different guidelines for how they handle bankruptcies. For example, FHA, USDA, VA, and conventional loans may all have different requirements for how long you must wait before you can qualify for a mortgage after a bankruptcy. So in general, you need to wait a certain period of time after your discharge date before you can apply for a mortgage. Another important thing to consider is the type of bankruptcy that you filed. Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcies are handled very differently by lenders, so it's important to know which type you filed and what the requirements are for that bankruptcy with each loan type. So once you know the requirements for your specific situation, the next step is to start rebuilding your credit. So this means making on-time payments on any outstanding debts, paying down your credit card balances, and avoid taking on any new debt. By improving your credit score, you will be in a much better position to qualify for a mortgage after bankruptcy. It's also a good idea to work with a reputable real estate agent who can help you navigate the home buying process and find a home that fits your budget and your needs. Your agent can also help you understand the requirements for getting a mortgage after a bankruptcy and assist you in finding a lender who works with you. So buying a home after bankruptcy is possible, but it may take some time and effort to qualify for a new mortgage. By understanding the requirements, rebuilding your credit, and working with a trusted real estate agent, you can make your dream of home ownership a reality even after a bankruptcy. Hey, if you got any value out of this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you're looking to buy or sell in Central Ohio, I would love to be your real estate resource of choice. If that's you, make sure to watch this video right here.